Hi guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we are doing a fall clean and decorate with me 2022 part 1. If you are new here, my name is rosielynn. I'm a mom to 3 little ones, 5 and under. I'm a wife and I make these videos to inspire others just like me. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you so much for watching and let's get started.
See how rewind when we rewind feels so nice with time.
I'm starting today's video off with a long overdue car seat cleaning. We were recently on a long drive and during this morning school drop off, as I opened the door, all the crumbs and everything that's in my car that my kids like to snack on and throw everywhere, like empty apple juice boxes, went flying on the floor. And that was fun to pick up in my chanclas this morning at school drop-off. So I decided that was just the motivation I need to get these things out of the car, deep clean, so that never happens again. If you're a mom, please let me know you can relate. That was so embarrassing. So we are taking care of this today. I am going to be using my Bissell steamer mop thing, and it is truly amazing. I'm going to link it down in my Amazon store. Best money I've spent on a Bissell product, you guys. It is so good. It leaves everything so refreshing. And if you're a mom, you know that cleaning these car seats takes forever and it's such a tedious task. However, this product makes it 10 times easier. I'm not sponsored. They didn't send this to me. I'm just giving you my honest opinion, especially if you want something done thorough, clean, and really quickly. It's extremely gross and super satisfying how well this little Bissell Green Pro pulls out stains, dirt, grime, and all that buildup that gets in your car seats, couches, and so on. You can literally use this on everything. I'm going to be doing the couches next. I'm going to vacuum any crumbs and stuff that could be in the crevices, as these cushions do not come remove and they are not machine washable, so I have to use this cleaner to clean it, and it works so well, so I'm really happy with that. I found this couch on Amazon and I'm really thankful to have it. Although it's not a super fancy couch or anything like that, it really does work really well and I'm really happy with it. So I wanted to show you guys how well this little cleaner does on a couch like this.
You like to drive and get down and dirty, act like the bad guy. You want some love, me like when you feel like calling at midnight. You got the best of me, you got me losing sleep. I've been hopeful, baby. I was hoping maybe that you'd cross my path. I've been sinking lately and it's hard to move. Think I'm stuck on you. Oh, in transits, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your.
If you are doing this inside, it does take about 7 hours to fully dry from my own experience, depending on your couch material. However, today we're in a heat wave, so I put the couch on the front yard and it only took about 2 hours to dry. Same with the car seats, and I was really thankful because sometimes doing this during the day indoors, it can take a lot longer to dry. So please keep that in mind if you are having company over or you have kiddos.
This life, no guarantees and stars that line. Follow your passion trail and try to keep an open mind. Hiding it by myself, no guarantees you'll find me. Said if it's faith you'll find me, leaving the past behind. We're in trances, going off to different places, different planets. Watch your aura pass me by, losing balance. What if we run out of time and second chances, empty-handed? I wonder, would you love me better if I go? morning. I'm in my stir smoking, catching my breath. I can feel my skin burning. You light the fire in me, got no regrets. Can't forget, you got me wrapped around it. You feel me, your body wrapped around me. Good mistakes, oh, you got me looped about it. You and me, you got me losing sleep. I am in too deep, like an overdose. You're the antidote. Losing sleep, I am in too deep. No matter where I hide, you got me sleep deprived. Blow my mind with a warning. You're digging deep within me. I feel obsessed. I can't help myself falling into.
Now that I set my couch outside to dry, I'm going to move on to the kitchen, and we're going to give our kitchen some love. We need to clean up, decorate, and just refresh this space. It's such a hot spot in my house. The kitchen is the heart of our home, and we do so much in this space, so I need to give it some love. In case no one told you today, you are doing a beautiful job. You are alive for a reason. You're much stronger than you think. The critic in your head is lying to you. You are needed more than you'll ever know. You have the power to change it all. Don't give up. It will get better. You are a great mom. This quote is anonymous, and I know someone needed to hear that. So in case no one told you, I did. Let's move on and get ready to do some dishes.
Never under my control, you know. I see the door you closed is open wide, and a better version of me inside. Let me in, let me stay there for a while. I feel it now when I see that smile, like a body of water.
Now that I got the dishwasher loaded, there are some dishes that I do need to hand wash. So before I do that, I'm going to wash the sink with some Dawn dish soap and my Scrub Daddy just to give it a fresh clean. Then I'll wash my dishes and then clean it again with the pink stuff. Do you prefer to wash your sink before you wash your dishes? I see so many different techniques on TikTok, so I'm curious to see how you were raised, how you were taught. What do you do when you wash your dishes? In my last home, I didn't have a sink that had a window above it, and I don't know what it is, but it's so peaceful looking out of a window when you wash dishes. It reminds me of being a little girl and being at my grandma's house and just looking out that window to the backyard when my grandma would wash dishes and I would help her, and I really just feel so grateful. Even though I don't have like the most aesthetic home or the most farmhouse style house, I just feel grateful. So even if you don't have a perfect home, know that your home or your size of your home or how old or new your home is, it doesn't resonate who you are. You make your home. So I just wanted to let you guys know that and just share that with you. Next, I'm going to go in and use the pink stuff to scrub this sink. It's going to brighten it, give it that really good white look back to it. This sink is a bit older, so it does get those stains. It does get some grime and buildup, but I know that using the pink stuff, it will come off. I'm fairly new to this product. However, it hasn't let me down yet, and I'm so thrilled about it. If you haven't picked up the pink stuff, pick it up, give it a shot. I know you guys are going to love it as much as I do. After we do the kitchen, we're going to move on to some decorating. I really hope you guys love the decorations I picked out this year. Some are new, some are old. You guys are going to love it. Stay tuned for that.
I hope
These decorations were found at TJ Maxx and Home Goods, as well as the Target Dollar Spot and Hobby Lobby. Everything was really affordable and just super cute, and I'm really happy to be adding a couple new pieces to my home this year for fall.
I know I shouldn't be in love, but it's so hard to move on. You haven't changed, you stayed the same. But if you did, I'd still love you anyway. I'd give you the world like I promised I would. Even though you wouldn't do the same, I'd give you the world like I promised I would. Even though you wouldn't do the same. Had this conversation more than 10 times.
I'm going to be wiping down the counter and getting all the countertops cleaned so that I can prep some more decor, as well as sweep and mop and just get the home fresh and clean for fall.
In 7 days, 'cause I've been up till 6 a.m. Wrote 5 songs all just for you. 3 of them I can't bear listening to.
For this really cute fall vase arrangement, I found these pumpkins at Hobby Lobby, and I found the floral wispies at Walmart. They were such a good deal there. They were around $3 per piece, and that's the best price I found for something like this. This was such a cool deal, and I cannot wait to show you guys where I place this in an upcoming video. Overall, it was so cute and so fun to make.
Even though you wouldn't do the same, I'd do anything you want me to. 'Cause I love you.
I added these really cute pumpkin placemats that I've had for years. My mom gave them to me a couple years back, and I've just used them ever since. I absolutely love them. I'm gonna have to look for some more. I don't know where she got them. I think she got them at Hobby Lobby, but I'm not too sure. Hopefully if I spot some, I can pick up some more, as our family has grown tremendously since then. I put these really cute pumpkin pom-pom banner underneath the plants. I thought this would be a really cute area, figuring we don't really have a mantle or like an area where this can hang besides this area, so I thought that would look cute. And since we're renting, it's nice to just place this somewhere without having to put any holes in the walls. So this is what it turned out to look like. Let me know what you guys think. I just think these are so cute. I've been seeing these a lot on Pinterest and online, and I just love it. After we're done sweeping, we're going to be going in with a fresh Bona microfiber cloth pad on my Bona spray mop. This is super useful and really quick if you want to get in a quick mop daily. I absolutely love this. It's washable and it just smells so good, you guys. It dries fast, and we have vinyl plank flooring and it works so well on here. So if you're on the edge about a spray mop, this Bona one is pretty useful, really good, and I love it. It's a great price. So I'm just going to be refilling it and cleaning my floors. some of the decor that I have placed out this year. A lot of it I've had over the years. Some little items are new. A lot of my stuff comes from Hobby Lobby, Target, Walmart, Home Goods, and TJ Maxx. This really cute light up Mickey Mouse wreath is from TJ Maxx, and it was the last one. The Hello Pumpkin sign I actually found at Ross, and it was only like $7. Such a steal. Moving on, now that my couch is fresh and clean and dry, we are going to be decorating it with some throw pillows that I found from Walmart and Target, and just giving it a little touch of fall.
I don't feel like waking up without you by my side. I still see your silhouette. Why don't we go back to your bedroom?
Thank you so much for taking the time to watch my video, to interact with me and spend some time with me today on my cleaning channel. If you are new, please subscribe. I would love to have you here. My channel is a space for moms like me and other people who are just looking for that motivation to clean and to get something done and to be productive. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for watching. Cheers to fall, and have a very great day. I will see you guys soon for a new video. Bye.
I don't feel like waking up without you by my side. I still see your silhouette. Why don't we go back to your bedroom?